Hi, I'm Lucas from Martelo, and in this video I'm going to be doing a detailed step-by-step assembly of our ladder desk. And we will start with all the components. You have two legs and two upper shelves, the main desktop and sliding shelf, followed by all the hardware necessary. The main components will have labels at their back, and that's to help us during the assembly. Now let's attach all the anchor bolts to both legs. Just screw them with your hands, and then as soon as you feel the resistance, you use the Allen key provided to tighten them properly. Then I'm gonna go ahead and install all the anchor bolts to both legs. You can see there that I'm always tightening them properly with the Allen key, making sure while the hole is facing down. So this is one of the main rules when installing those. But there are two more things to keep in mind as you tighten them in. You want to make sure that you tighten them enough that you don't see any thread on the side of the anchoring bolt. Not like this, but you want to make sure that you do this and you go all the way in, almost flush with the leg. Lastly, just make sure the black part of the anchoring bolt lines up with the metal attachment on the leg, like this. Only thing left now for the setting up is to add the connecting bolts to both of the shelves. So you should be able to just push them in. And now we'll move on to the fun part, assembly. Find the right leg. There's a sticker here showing which one is the right leg, and we start with the main shelf. You have the letter here and you want to match up with this. In this case, the letter C. So this should just slot here nicely. And then you're gonna be using the M6 bolts to secure it in place. And then we move on to the other two shelves. These holes are going to be always facing down, and you're looking for the matching letter, in this case B. So I'm going to go ahead and just push this in. And again, make this tight. And then the top one, again making sure it's facing down. Hose, letter A with A, and screwing. Now attaching the left leg. Again, you're looking for the letters. You can see here D with D. So line up the top first. So just falls in place here. And then down here, looking for the main shelf to line up. And then just push it in. Like on the first side, use your M6 bolts. Again, like we did before, we're gonna tighten those. We're nearly done here. Now get some help and place your desk where you want it to stay, and be sure to secure it to the wall. You will have a how-to file for that as well. Now we're going to install this sliding shelf. We're going to have our logo facing up so that you make sure that everything lines up perfectly. And you're going to start pushing in, and you're going to hear a click. And on the first time that you are installing, you're gonna have to push a bit hard. There will be a bit of resistance, but then from there it should be nice and smooth. And the last detail is to be installing those covers for the domino. Now you can close the cable organizer with a wooden cover and your desk is ready. If you need any help with assembly or securing your desk to the wall, don't hesitate to get in touch with us on our Etsy shop or directly on our email. Thank you.